Hi, I'm John, and this is Scarlett the Four-Eyed Cuda. In this next episodes, we're going to be adding sound deadening to the car. I have some for the trunk and for the rear seat. This first one will be for the trunk. This will be a multi-part series, so as I continue this, there will be more episodes to it. So let's take a look at the product. All right, so after you've opened up your cardboard box, you have a beautiful black and Dynamat stamped box that has your pre-cut. They sell these for a number of different products. Go on their website and check them out, and hopefully they have what you need. Otherwise, you can always use the universal stuff and cut it out to fit yourself. So that's what the box looks like. You open up the box and here's your pre-cut pieces. You can see it's really cool. It has the cutouts for the filler neck on the Barracuda. It also has a cutout right here that you can remove if you have the Challenger, because the Challenger and the Barracudas have the gas fills on opposite sides. Barracuda is behind the license plate. Challenger is on the passenger side rear quarter panel. So let's open up our magic instructions and see what they have to say. All right, there's the instructions. You can see the layout of the examples. The pieces from above go above the axle, naturally inside the trunk, but above the axle. And this is all you need. It's pretty straightforward. They got a roller, utility knife, some cutters, and some tape, and it's pretty much clean it off, test fit it, and then lay it down and use the roller to press it in. And then I'll be using some of the Dynamat tape around the edges in order to make sure that it stays in place. So let's clean things up and see where that takes us. Okay, all the big pieces of dust and dirt and debris are out, but I would not call this clean yet. But what I did do is I came over, grabbed my big old rigid shop vac and my compressed air from my air hose. From the inside of the car, I use the air hose to shove everything back and bring up all the big pieces. Then use the vacuum cleaner to suck all those up. Yeah, I'm sure some small pieces got through, but I'm also sure if I took a white paper towel and wiped my hand across it, it would come back as dirty. So what am I going to do? I got some tack rags from Amazon, and S&F I think they are. So we're going to give those a shot. And I followed their directions, and I'll wipe this down. And here you can see that tack cloth that was once clean is now dirty. It's pretty used up. The texture on the back shreds it up a little bit, but that's okay. They come in a pack of 15, so I'll probably go over, that's just one rag, I'll probably go over it a second time. Okay, tack cloth number 1 on the left, tack cloth number 2 on the right. So it is much cleaner, and so I am much more satisfied that it is ready to have the mock-up in place. So now that the trunk is ready to receive everything, I appreciate you watching. So please like, share, and subscribe, and continue on to see the next episodes where we lay out the product in the trunk and then actually do the installation. Thank you very much.